You simply can't get to net zero by 2050 without biofuels.
Ethanol is lower carbon than gasoline, and that advantage continues to increase. America's bioethanol industry is poised for success, delivering on a new wave of clean energy demand.
But there may be a way to save even more money as farmers and biofuel producers.
Ethanol, biodiesel, and now sustainable aviation fuel can drive down emissions and help reduce our demand for oil.
Growth Energy launched a pilot campaign encouraging consumers looking to better the environment with simple changes to simply change fuel.